Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. I think it's time to install a rear dash cam as well. Comment if you know where this is. The little guy got lucky here. That was close. Nothing much going on, just getting followed by the sun. Just a nice Sunday drive with the family, then suddenly... Where did he come from? Time to buy a lottery ticket. Wear your seat belts. You never know what can happen.
Oh, me.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh, me.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Traffic is gonna stop now back there.
Why can't people be careful? Following distance is important to avoid accidents.
Jesus Christ.
two idiots go straight with left turn signal.
Yo, what the Did you see that shit?
Is he out of his mind? It's tempting to be nice, but be predictable is nicer.
A few moments later.
Yo. You good?
Yeah.
They didn't hit us, right?
Just let me. Oh, this baby. Like, let me just put one little finger. Yeah. Yeah. I think some of the things I was really surprised about. I knew you were gonna be like an auntie that wanted to like always be holding and like snuggling. Did not see Zach. Zach is like, he'll like look at me and I'll be like, here you go.
His life flashed in front of his eyes. I think I knew they were going to pull out before they knew. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.